Hello everyone, welcome back to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix or disable try searching to get started notification on your Google Chrome in YouTube. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, as you can see on my screen, if you are facing same issue on your Google Chrome, try searching to get started notification, then I will show you how to fix this type of issues. First of all, you have to open your YouTube and you have to open this website. You can see here you will find one option which is called view site information. You have to click on this. After that, you click on cookies and site data, then click on manage on device site data. Here you will find all the options like cookies. Just click on here, you will find cookies. You have to delete one by one. After deleting, just click on done and reload this option, or just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix or disable try searching to get started notification on your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.